Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Eureka Crate we just got in the mail. This is from KiwiCo. So this one is a build your own laser speaker. Put on a laser light show with this wireless speaker and sound visualizer. Now in this level, you only have one magazine, but the younger levels you have two. And the younger ones have a cartoon type thing that explains the science and then the instruction manual. This one is combined, both are combined in the same one. So here's what it looks like. They have facts throughout the book, and they have a history of this technology. They always have a picture of everything that comes in the box, so you can make sure you have everything before you start. There's never been any mistakes in our boxes, and we've ordered a lot of these. Okay, so table of contents. So this one isn't in a cartoon format like the younger ones are, but they tend to have higher level facts. So these projects are a lot more complicated than the younger ones, obviously. It has you build them by parts before you put that project together. But it's still step-by-step diagrams and things so you can see what you're doing and make sure you follow along properly. And then it's just done. You've done that part. The next part, part B, electronics. So it's very step-by-step. And so kids can definitely do it, mostly by themselves. My 9-year-old did need a little bit of help with one last month, but for the most part he did it by himself. Here's more science stuff, adding more parts. Oops. And then more about visualizing sound. You have a troubleshooting guide, which I think is really nice. And then more information about the design. And lasers. Some history and science. And they always have extra activities you can do, but these ones are not included in the box. Alright, so we have how to do the laser with the batteries, appliance sheets, transformer warning. This was in a package. My son looked through this before I did the video. These are little sticky foam things. Yeah, he tore it open. Yes, here's the cord to connect it. And then, oops, a little screwdriver. It really does come with everything you need to make these. This is in here. Another miniature tool. These are so cute. It's like a thin plastic rubbery type thing. This must be the laser light. Oh, yep, there it is. You see it. Let's see, with a mirror and diffraction grafting set. Oh, that's really tiny. Don't worry, I won't lose any of these. I put them back very carefully. It's a very tiny mirror. And then a little plastic thing in there too. Little reflection things. Definitely don't want to lose that. So this is a mystery box. And I love that the KiwiCrate line teaches you real skills you can actually use. You know, it's not just some made up thing. It's real science. It's real electronics. I say KiwiCrate because KiwiCo is the company, but this is obviously the Eureka Crate. Oh, these are stuck. Pretty sticky. So here's all the wooden round type pieces. You can see the wood's really thick. These don't break or bend. So nice that it's a high quality kit that comes. You can get these in 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, or a year subscription. We've gotten the Koala Crates, the Kiwi Crates, Tinker Crates, Eureka Crates, and the Yummy Crates. We haven't tried the Geography one, or the one for babies, but every crate we've gotten has been excellent. And this one is even thicker. You can see the different layers glued together. They're all like that. The last thing is just little screws and bolts and things. So that's what's in this one. He is so excited about this tomorrow morning. He doesn't care that it's not in the package, so I'm not being a mean mom. Yeah, check these out. These are so great to add to homeschool or just for fun, even if you don't homeschool. We really love this company. And here's what it looks like again. I'll have a link down below in the description if you want to check it out. Let me know in the comments what your favorite crate line is, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.